So moving on, still we are walking, and right now we are approaching the main road, and our mission is to locate where is the mini bus stop, where we are going to wait for the bus which will bring us to the inner city. And while walking, guys, we are being welcomed by the branches of these Ghaf tree plantation here. It is so nice to look at because it's like the curtain. It's like curtain, and it is free flowing. And while it is free flowing, the gentle breeze at its collide with the branches produces a very fresh air. Yeah, am I right? Yeah. It produces a very fresh air. So I'm going to walk slowly because I am enjoying the scenario. Yeah, I am enjoying the scenario. But someone has to be very careful because even this gaff has thorn in itself. The branch in itself has thorn, and it is growing downwardly. But it is beautiful indeed. It is beautiful. Yeah. And there are other branches which appear to be growing. Yeah, fresh branch which appear to be growing fastly. And these Ghaf trees are actually planted here at the edge of the road. And it's part of the Green Revolution. Like the time of the Marquesas. This one is like, wow, it's an independent branch and divides into or springs into or splits into three from a single branch going down. I think this is really the nature of this plant, right? I couldn't imagine that such plant having that huge body to grow in such manner. Well, if you can observe also the growth pattern, it is not growing straight away. It sometimes is inclined like this one too. So I didn't see any growth pattern that go upwardly. Most of it is growing in an inclined manner, like that one. It is so difficult. I mean, it's so different structure, right? It occupies a lot of space because it is not growing straight. I got it. I remember before at Philippine Business for Social Progress, a person who one person there introduces us to the technique he had in planting, especially in planting mahogany and gymnelina. What he said is that for you to be able to achieve a growth pattern of trees, especially, you have to plant nearby. I mean, the distance between each plant should have been like half a meter. That's the proximity. So that the tendency is the trees will think that there is a competition. So the only thing that they can do is just to grow upwardly continuously. Just growing upwardly. And that's the thing that has happened in here, since the proximity of the plant is somewhat like far. That's that distance. And then here also. So it means there is no competition. There's no strong competition in itself. That is why these trees are spreading freely. Wow, I like that because there is a bird that habitated it. We call it myna. This one also seemed to be like the hair of, you know, this Ghaf tree seemed to have enjoyed its growth because all of its branch are full of new leaves and it is enjoying its growth. It's like hairs, like unstructured haircuts, like mine. Wow. hmm You know, guys, there are already two buses that passes through, but I still, I still did not in a. I mean, I'm not in a hurry to, to board in because I am enjoying this moment. Yes, the greenery is here. I am enjoying. This is, this is perfect. Oh, this one is big. Wow. Yeah, huge. Wow. And you can observe that there is irrigation system here. So gradually water drips in a lighter manner. So meaning the entire street here have trees like this one. Wow. This is a wow factor. You will only be you will only be saying wow. You will only be congratulating the UAE government. You will only be amazed at how they managed to ensure that the environment is perfectly habitated with people and people can breathe with fresh air. Yeah, like this one. Wow. This is in the street, and since the growth of this Ghaf tree is inclined towards the street, right now we are experiencing a canopy of it. Wow. You can see at the summit, it is all like forest. You will be thinking that this is an Amazon. By mistake, without looking the previous video or previous clip, you will be thinking that you are in a timberland forested area. Although my legs are experiencing hot temperature right now, yet by looking at it, you will be thinking that you are in a forest. But to correct you, I am in the desert. Yeah, I am in the desert and I am nearing the mini bus stop. One of the proofs that I am in the desert is this one. And then this one, the temperature is so hot. And the desert is also extended not only in that particular area, but even up to here. Oh, that one was cut. So guys, if you happen to like the content of this video, please click the like button, and if you wanted to receive an update, please do subscribe, and if it is not burdensome to you, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching SAS Official TV.